Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable secondary verification in Binance. To enable security verification, also known as two-factor authentication on Binance for extra security, follow these steps. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance. Now click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, go to the Account tab. Then click on Security. After that, you'll get an interface like this. Now click on Manage in the Authenticator application section. I have already turned on the two-factor authentication. After that, you'll need to verify your phone number. You will get a 6-digit SMS on your device and then you need to type in here. After confirming that, you will get a QR code. Then you need to scan via your Authenticator application on your phone. After scanning, you will get another 6-digit code in the Authenticator application. Enter those codes and your two-factor authentication will be enabled. After enabling two-factor authentication, log out of your Binance account and try logging in again. When prompted for verification, enter the code generated by your Authenticator application to verify your identity. Enabling two-factor authentication will significantly enhance the security of your Binance account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.